Greetings from Byron Bay, Australia. My name is Tara Lee Byrne, and I am truly honoured to be sharing this journey with you on The Exhale. It's a journey on collective collaboration of like-minded souls, of artists, of creatives, of performers, of musicians, of dancers, of yoga teachers, of yoga practitioners, all looking to be able to support themselves the best they can from an integrative and a holistic approach. I'm also a professional cellist. However, over these 2 weeks, I'm putting my cello aside and I'm going to replace it with my Vitamix and Ninja knife skills. Think of me as your culinary inspiration for the next 2 weeks, whereby I'm going to be introducing you to a whole world of whole foods and raw food. We're going to learn techniques, the fundamentals of raw and whole food preparation. We're going to learn how to soak. We're going to learn how to ferment. We're going to learn how to burp, but not as you know it. And we're going to learn all of this together because it's, as a performer, it's so important for us to be able to make the right food choices, to be able to support our performance, to be able to support our practices. And that is not always the case when we are on the road with long hours and long rehearsals. So my mission is to share with you really easy, really simple to replicate at home recipes and tips and advice over the next 2 weeks. We're going to have 4 video tutorials where we're going to be covering breakfasts, snacks, smoothies, juices, soups, the most incredibly flavoursome salad dressings, and of course, the ultimate raw food desserts. I am going to be sharing with you on Friday a cooking space whereby we're going to cook together. So we'll have a little opportunity to be able to learn some new knife skills, be able to learn how to build a flavour profile. And then on Saturday, we're going to be hosting a live chai and chats, whereby you can submit your questions to me online during the course of the week and also live, and we'll have a wonderful discussion together. So I really look forward to seeing you online in the next 2 weeks, and until then, be well.